a combo. This is another combo that Milwaukee is offering this year. I'm just highlighting, and the best deals obviously for the gift center, the hacks, the buy one get one free. These are great deals. But guys, by the way, yeah, somebody just posted that I missed out on this deal. Yeah, it was this one. $300 with the free tool. That was a killer deal. Whoever got that, congratulations to you. However, we did not get it at that price. But check this out. This is actually cheaper than what it is going to be, or what it is advertised at the Black Friday deals. I just dig that up right now. I just did it right now. So guys, yeah, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icons. You guys will help this channel out. And also, so you guys will miss any of the future Black Friday holiday deals. All right, so let's get to it. This is obviously this gift center. This is Black Friday stuff. So you got M18 brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo kit, two batteries. And then this one is the one that's advertised for the $399 with the free tool. This does have a case, a charger, and 2 5s. These are the newer style, or Gen 4's newer hammer drill and impact driver. You guys know this. The impact driver is a beast. Very modern tools. All right. So enough of that. So $379, guys. Yes, it's down from the $399 that's advertised for the Black Friday. At least on the leaked images that we got, it was advertised at $399. Now it's advertised at $379. So that is $20 cheaper. Yes, $20 cheaper. You guys know what that means. The other tool is going to be cheaper as well. So let's jump on it. Let's see what we see here. Let's choose one of the highest price or ticketed items, and then we're gonna see how much this is. So we got a couple $199 tools. We're gonna select another one here. Let's see. Check out this angle grinder. I know we don't want the angle grinder, but we just want to see the price. It's not letting me do it. All right, so it is. All right, so the angle grinder is going to drop down to $130 with this hack. And obviously, if you guys want this angle grinder, go with the cheaper battery version that I posted earlier. If you want to keep the angle grinder, but if you want to keep these two tools that I told you, this is going to go down to $248, which is a pretty dang good deal on this one. But yeah, the $300 with the free tool was probably one of the best deals. Anyways, we missed that, but we got this. So this is $248, basically $100 a tool, or $120 a tool. With the battery and charger, obviously. So that's pretty good. That is pretty good for these top line tools. Anyways, I thought I just want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.